Here they come, ladies and gentlemen, our veterans of our town. Let them know, let them know. Thank you, veterans. Here we go. Well done, ladies and gentlemen. Let them know. Here we go. Oh, and the first car is decorated. Let's do it. Thank you, veterans. Welcome to Hanover Middle School. 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 Happy Veterans Day. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much for your service. So happy to have you. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you again.
Thank you so much for your service. Let them know, guys, let them know. Thank you so much for the service. Oh, yeah. Woo! That's what we're Steve, thank you, sir. Thank you for your service, Mr. Engel. Well done, Mr. Malone. Thank you, sir. Well done. Thank you for your service. Thank you for your service. Welcome to HMS. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for your service. Thank you so much for your service. Thank you, thank you. I love the flag on the car. Outstanding. Thank you for your service. Oh, fantastic. Thank you, Ms. Adam. Thank you for your service. Thank you, everyone. Well done. Welcome to HMS. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for your service. Awesome job. Thank you. I love the decoration. Thank you, Mr. Edwards. Thank you for your service, Mr. Solon. Thank you for your service. I love the car. Looks so good. Thank you for your service, Mr. King. Thank you for your service. Well done. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your service. Outstanding job, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your service. Welcome to HMS. Thank you for your service. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your service. Woo! Love the flag. Love the flag. Thank you for your service. Well done. Thank you so much. Cars look amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thanks for your service. Appreciate it. Welcome to HMS. Thank you for your service. Oh, you guys are awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Outstanding, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for your service. Welcome to Hanover Middle School. Thank you for your service. Love the pup dog. Oh, that's a friendly car. Well, thank you for your service, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for your service, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Welcome to Hanover Middle School. Thank you for your service. Awesome job. Thank you for your service. Thank you so much. Welcome. Bannings, welcome, Bannings. Thank you for your service. Looks good, brother. Looks good. Thank you so much. Thanks, guys.
Awesome.
Guys, enjoy. Bye, guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your service. Thank you so much. Oh, that's, I don't know who that, oh, I know who that is. Bye, guys. Thank you for your service so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're the best, Brian. Thank you so much for your service. Thanks, guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, boys. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you for your service.
And here they come again, guys, on the other side. Veterans coming up. Here we go. Thank you very much for all your help. Oh, this is great. Look at the truck that's out decorated. Thank you for your service. Thank you for coming. Love it. Thanks, guys.
The noble and the brave, the men and women who dedicated their lives and the sacrifices that they have made. When America had an urgent need, they were the first to raise their hands. Without thinking twice about it, they were proud to take a stand. Some came back with war with battle scars, others in flag-draped coffins. Even though their flesh may have left, their spirits will never be forgotten. They unselfishly and knowingly put their lives on the line. So when you see a veteran, thank them, because without them, freedom would have died.
There are not words big enough. There's not a hug strong enough. There's not a smile wide enough. All I can offer is thank you. You are my hero. You are in my thoughts. You are in my prayers. For all you've done, thank you.
Thank you very much.
For all the brave souls, for all the missions and important goals. Today is the day to remember them all, because in our hearts they still stand tall. For all the brave souls, happy Veterans Day. Today we say thank you. Today we raise flags. Today we cheer at the parade. We remember you offered your life to our land. You were brave. Were you also afraid? Today we consider. Today we are free. Your sacrifice rings proud and clear. Tomorrow will come, but we understand. You gave more than one day in the year.
Freedom in America isn't really free. We often pay a price for our liberty. Remember those we loved who fought for us and died, and those we never knew, for whom others mourned and cried. At home, our war for freedom is sadly overdue. We've let corruption stage a sad and grievous take. No longer can we brush off dishonesty and greed. Lust for wealth and power, we won't concede. Complacency is weakness patriots can't afford. We have to act on wrongs that cannot be ignored. We must give up some time spent on our pleasures to restore America's freedom, to keep America's treasures. Money spent on trifles must now go to our cause to get rid of offenders, constitutional outlaws. Freedom in America isn't really free. It's up to American patriots. It's up to you and me.
On our Veterans Day, we honor all who answered to a service call. Soldiers young and soldiers old fought for freedom, brave and bold. Some have lived while others have died, and all of them deserve our pride. We kept thinking of red, white, and blue for the soldiers who fought our country through. Although we may not know each name, we thank all veterans just the same. On Veterans Day, we remember again our men and women who served. We honor them now for what they did then, the liberties they deserve. Let's never forget their sacrifice, the hard, heavy work that they have done. They did what was asked, social needs they fulfilled. We're happy with a pilgrim countrymen. We're happy and proud to honor them. They do so much more than we got. Our heroes, our veterans took freedom stage. All of us owe them a lot. In Flanders Field, the poppies blow between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the lark still bravely singing. Flies scarce heard amid the guns below. We are the dead, short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders Field. Take up our quarrel with the foe, if you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die. We shall not sleep though poppies grow in Flanders Field.
While we were here at home, they traveled land and sea to make sure we stayed safe, to protect and keep us free. Words are not enough to give them what they're due. On Veterans Day, please thank them for their service to me and you.
Red, white, and blue are our country's flag, symbolizing the good, the in-between, and the bad. The blue in our flag stands for preservance and justice, the white for the innocence and the purity amongst us, the red for the blood spilled on the ground for the heroes who fought and the courage they found. To defend our great country at all costs, we wanted to thank you and the ones we have lost. Thank you for what you did and all that you do. Thank you for fighting for the red, white, and blue.
Today we give thanks to the ones who served their nation. Their sacrifices have aided other countries and protected ours. So many fight for freedom, but we must remember we have the freedom to vote, the freedom of speech, and the freedom of religion. We must not assume these freedoms are had by all, nor take them for granted. Honor our veterans. Because of these brave people, our freedoms remain.